Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I'm super excited to be bringing this tutorial to you guys as it is super easy to achieve and the product is really amazing. First is first, we are going to be announcing the winner to last video's giveaway. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, make sure you're watching my videos to figure out when I'm doing giveaways and when I'm not. I do like to announce them as well, so be on the lookout for any posts in my community section. That being said, this giveaway is being sponsored by Profiles Backstage. You guys know I am absolutely obsessed with all of their products. They have really good products at a very affordable price. Do not forget to shop their website if you guys are interested. And don't forget to use my discount code VEEROCKS to save a little bit more money. That being said, they have sent me an acrylic teaser kit to gift to one of you guys. This kit includes their acrylic brush, Profix, which is their bonder primer, liquid forms, pink powder, white powder, clear powder, and their gel top coat. This is such a good way to kind of get a feel for their products. So if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these kits, make sure you look on their website. And like I said, don't forget to use my discount code. So we are going to be picking the winner right here, right now. Good luck to all of you. I truly appreciate every single one of you guys. And the winner is Taikio. Congratulations. Make sure you message me or email me and I will get that sent out to you very soon. Thank you guys so much. And now let's get right into the tutorial. Going right into the video, I am taking my sanding band from Profiles Backstage with my Kiara Sky E-file, and we are just going in and blending that tip to the natural nail bed. I'm using the Not Polish universal tips for this set. As usual, don't forget to use my discount codes to save a little bit of money. I'm taking Pink of You by Not Polish and placing that onto the pinky. I'm just going to do a solid color on this nail. I'm doing this set using my Sculpt It Like It's Hot brush from Profiles Backstage and their Monomer as well. For the ring finger and the middle finger, I'm taking Nude Panther from Not Polish as well, and I'm just going ahead and placing a solid base for the ombre that we're going to be creating. So I am just applying that acrylic as usual. I am applying a few beads onto that nail, dragging it gently down, and then placing a bead at the cuticle area, gently pushing up, and then blending it down. Now this is going to be a very quick video. I hope you guys watch the entire thing. I am going to be focusing mainly on the nail art for this video. I am pretty sure you guys are kind of very well aware of how I apply my acrylic, especially when it comes to solid colors. So I'm just going to let you guys watch this. I went ahead and also applied pink onto my index finger. Once we are done applying the acrylic and it is fully dry, I'm taking my Kiara Sky E-file and their fine carbide bit, and I'm just going ahead and smoothing out the surface of the nails. I am gently just removing any imperfections of that surface. You want to make sure you do this very, very gently, as we do not want to remove bulk product. I'm going ahead and filing the rest of the nails. And of course, I'm taking my Tammy Taylor peel and stick file, and I am going on the sides of those nails and just perfecting that shape. We want to make sure we are straightening them out as much as possible, making sure they are perfect and flawless at this point. Once I'm done with that, I go ahead and turn the hand around to look at it from the client's perspective, and I'm just perfecting that shape, making sure everything is nice and straight. I'm just taking my sponge buffer from Profiles Backstage, and I am using that to smooth out the surface of the nail. Especially when I am doing any nail art or anything on top of the nail, I want to make sure that everything is nice and smooth, so everything goes on there perfectly without any imperfections. Now I'm just taking my lint-free wipe and some swipe and making sure I'm cleansing the entire nails and my practice hand as well. And for the start of the show, we are using Not Polish Ombre Gel. This is going to be what you need in order to achieve this really easy ombre. So I am applying a thin layer of that gel onto the surface of the nail. I'm doing this on my middle finger and the ring finger. Once you have fully applied it and it is nice and smooth, you want to cure that for a minute. I believe I put it in there for a minute. Once it's cured, you want to take it out. Get a dust brush or whatever you want to use. Use some clear acrylic and pour that over top of that gel. There's a thick tacky layer, and you want to make sure that the color we're going to put on goes on smoothly. So I'm using Last Love from Not Polish. It is a beautiful neon color. Highly recommend it. And I'm just using this old pigment brush that I use whenever I'm using pigments and applying the powder onto the nail with it. So the key to this is definitely applying more onto the very tip and then lightly releasing the pressure as you're going up towards the cuticle area. This is going to create such a stunning ombre. It's so freaking easy. You can do this so fast. Highly, highly recommend it. I do think it's a great product, and it's going to last the entire time of the set because it is acrylic versus gel polish. So you're not really going to get any chipping or anything like that. So again, just lightly tapping it onto the tip and then moving my way up, releasing pressure. If you think the tip is way too light, just go ahead back into your powder and keep messing around with it until you are happy. As you can see, that was super fast, super easy, and it is flawless. I freaking am obsessed with this. Once you are done with that, you want to apply your top coat. I'm taking Gloss It from Not Polish and applying a layer of that onto the nail. I am going to be going in with nail art after this step, so I want to make sure that I'm not going to mess with any of the ombre that I just created, and this is going to protect that. And of course, go ahead and cure this for a full minute. And then I'm taking my Timeless gel paint in the color black with my liner brush from Amazon. And I am going to just basically be drawing like little leaf design on it. I thought it would be a really pretty accent for this super simple set. So I'm just drawing a line up randomly and then just drawing tiny little petals to kind of mimic leaves onto both sides of that line. And I'm going in very gently. You want to apply pressure at the base and then release pressure, and it will form that perfect little leaf. And then I'm going in on the other side as well with that same black gel paint and creating the same design, just a smaller version of it. In that middle section, I did leave it empty, and you'll see in just a little bit that I decided to add some white in there just to make it pop some more. Once I was content with that, I went ahead and cured that. And then I'm taking Matte from Not Polish and going ahead and top coating those nails. I'm deeply obsessed with neons, nudes, and matte polish. I don't know if you guys have noticed this, but I am going ahead and top coating that entire set with matte. It makes nail art pop, especially when you are hand painting something onto the nail. It definitely makes it pop, and you get such amazing photos when you use matte. I think it's so hard to take shiny nail pictures, especially to try to get all the details. So I do highly recommend give matte a go. I know a lot of people aren't fans, but that basically concludes this video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys next time.